we saw the static addition. Now let's see dynamic addition of ones using golden beads. It says 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. So I have already collected the quantity 8. So I've collected 8 beads. 5. I've taken 5 beads. Now let's do the addition of ones. So you will have to be positioning your beads in the ones position. So let me quickly add it. What you need to be always remembering is 10 ones make 1 10. You have to remember. Anytime that there is 10 ones, you have to replace it with 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The moment that you get these 10 beads, you will replace the 10 beads with 1 10 bar, because 10 beads are equal to 1 10. 10 ones make 1 10. So it's fine to keep this or to keep this. Okay, so we are going to replace the 10 beads with 1 10. So I'm going to take all of them and I'm going to be putting back into my beads counter. Now, can I keep my ones here, 10 here? No, because the position of a 10 bead bar is in tens. So I put it as a carry forward here. Okay, so what are the remaining beads that I have it? So let me count them quickly. 1, 2 and 3. So I have only 3 beads remaining. So the answer is 3. And then anything else, do I have it in my tens position? Yes, I have 1 10. So how many tens that we have? We have 1 10. So in my tens position, I have my 1 10. So my answer 8 plus 5 is 13, because I had a carry forward. And this is our dynamic addition of ones using the golden beads. Let's now do a dynamic addition of 2-digit numbers, that is dynamic addition of tens. We have the first number as 58. That means 5 tens and 8 units make 58. So I have collected 5 tens, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 tens and 8 ones. The second number is 67. 6 tens and 7 units. 6 tens, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 tens. 6, 10 and 7 units. Now what we need to do, look at the operation. So since it is plus, we're going to be adding the numbers. So let's add. Always remember, the moment that you get 10, you have to be replacing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So 10 ones make 1 10. So we have to replace the 10 ones with 1 10. So whatever I'm replacing, I'm going to be putting it back. So I replaced. So where should I be positioning this? In the carry forward. Okay. Now what are the remaining beads? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 units. Now let's count the tens. So let's join all of them together. And let's count. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10, 9 10, 10 tens. 10 tens. So what you should replace it with? You have to replace your 10 tens with 100. 10 tens make 100. So it doesn't make a difference. I use this or I use this. So since it is 100, can I be keeping it here? No, it has to go to my hundreds position, right? So since I'm replacing it, I take all of them. I take all of them and put it back into my golden bead tray. So how many tens are left over? 1 10 and 2 tens. We have 2 tens remaining. So let me quickly write the answer, 2 tens. Now, what about in the hundreds position? How many hundreds do we have? We have 100. How many hundreds? 100. So the answer is 125. 125 is our answer. And this is our dynamic addition of 2 digits. Let's do the dynamic addition of 3 digits. 589 plus 348. 589. 5 hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. 589 and 348. 300s. I've already collected 300s. 200, 300, 48. Now let's do the addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's the rule? Anytime that you get 10, you replace 10 beads with 1 10 bar. So we're going to put this back into our ones unit and keep this tens bar on our carry forward. So how many beads are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 ones. How many ones? 7 ones. Now let's count the number of tens. I'm going to join all of them together. Can we count them together? Yes, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10, 9 10, 10 tens. So when you get 10 tens, you got to take all these 10 tens, put them back into your golden bead tray and replace it with 100, right? So you keep it in the 100s position. And how many tens are remaining? 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens. So we have 3 tens remaining. Let's count the hundreds. So let me join all of them. Okay, so let's count 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900s. So we have how many hundreds? We have 900s. So answer is 937. 937 is our answer.